This red cedar tree was about to fall on my land because of his rotten base, so I decided to cut it to get as many planks as possible. I'm not sure how much red cedar planks worth, but I know it's considered excellent for outdoor use due to its natural resistance to rot, decay, insects and moisture. In my case, this is pretty good because I want to use this lumber to build the foundation of my future greenhouse, so I won't have to spend any money on expensive planks. On the top right of the screen, this is how the foundation will look like. I will have enough wood to make the whole floor frame with only a 16 feet long red cedar log. So this will give me approximately 6 long live edge planks that I will have to process in proper planks. Here I'm drawing lines to make the best cuts I can. I need long and wide planks for my greenhouse frame, so I pre-calculated the way I could save the most of it. So this is the first piece I made from the red cedars. It's a tree we're about to fell. It was attacked by a woodpecker. So I cut it down. It was a twin trees. So it was a double head tree. One of the head was just destroyed. But the other one was still good. So I'm like, I cut it now so it will be useful for wood. So this is my first piece I made. It's a rough 2x6, so it's a real 2x6. I will storage my my red cedars over here, and I will put weight on it when I made it in planks so it doesn't curve. As you can see here, I draw the guidelines as wide as possible to avoid any waste. This plank is actually really straight and there is not much bark edge at all. This time I tried the laser technique to draw the lines. It worked well, but it's quite hard to see the laser outside. I think the best would be using a chalk wheels so it makes clear marks and make it faster than using a straight edge and laser.
So let's see what we have for now. There is 2 massive pieces up to 16 feet, 2 planks up to 10 feet long, and 1 small plank. All of it is 2 inches thick. Now I just have 1 plank left to saw. I am really happy about how much wood it gives me. I will have to crank strap the plank so it doesn't curve or twist until I use it. Now it's time to clean up the mess I made, so enjoy watching me cleaning up. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Feel free to comment if you have any advice and subscribe to encourage me. It's always appreciated. Also, take a look to my TikTok and Instagram channel. See you later, friends.